Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm just wrapping up my cup of coffee here. In a few minutes, we'll be getting into that dishwasher, see if we can get that squeak taken care of, and get my honeydew list, get one check mark off of the honeydew list. Catch you in a minute. You know how you do. You all go in to get your cup of coffee out of here, and you get this squeaky door. So here we go, guys. I've never had a dishwasher apart or out, so I'm breaking new ground here, just like you guys. I found this on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to see if I can fix my dishwasher. There's supposed to be a mounting screw, 2 screws up here. Let's start here. This dishwasher's never been out. Well, guys, we'll see how this comes out of here. And let's see what's on the bottom. Okay, this has some thumb screws. A couple plastic thumb screws. Notice I'm using my wife's pink screwdriver. Closest one at hand is the best one you got. Oh, these are like push pins on an automobile. Okay, what's behind this little cover? Well, we got some paper instructions in here that are taped up to something here. There's the instructions. Very nice. Okay, so we got leveling legs. So, other than hitting right here, it might catch on it. We'll see. This dishwasher is a little different than the ones I saw on YouTube. I couldn't find my brand, so maybe we can still get this one fixed. I'll get my light here. Okay. So we got a plastic pivot right here on this bracket. And the other ones use cables. And we got a metal pivot right here. So I was trying to lubricate inside here. I was lubricating in here thinking that was a pivot, but the pivot's way out here. We're back with the WD-40. And we're going to try a shot right in here and here on the inside, and one right here on this pivot right there. And we'll go do the other side. That did it, guys. And just have a little bit of spring noise. Oh, look at it, closes easier now too. Which that could be the gasket. That could be the bottom gasket squeezing. I think we call that done. I think we call that a winner there, guys. This handy little flashlight, I tell you, it's pretty nice. You want to just hang it on something and light up your work. I'll show you that in a minute. Just push your dishwasher back in place. Time for a little bit of cleaning. Wow. You never know what you might find when you go digging deep. Now these little, they're not really screws, they push. So you just snap them in place, but oh, they're on a cam action. Let's see. So they don't move much. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Just give it a little push. Push and a twist. Well, did we do it? We did it. There you go, guys. That's all you need to do. Okay, so this little pocket snap-on flashlight, it's got a pocket clip so you could keep it in your pocket. It's got magnets on the end and magnets on the side here. And it's got a bright LED, an LED on the end, an LED on this side here. And let me turn it on. So there's your out the side end, there's out the front, and then it even has a smaller light on the back side. This thing is very handy because you can just stick it to your work, open it up, and the magnet right here, you can open it up and it will stick to any metallic surface that is lets a magnet hold on to it. And I believe that's ferrous metal. So it's a snap-on. It works really well, and it helped me to get this job done. This is not a commercial for Snap-on, but while I was doing it, this light was so handy, I thought I'd make mention of it. So there you have it, guys. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.